Hi everybody. Like I always say, Namaskara everyone. Andariki Namaskaram. Ellargu Swagatam and a very warm welcome to my own channel that is Chem GPT Class 9 to J NEET everyone. My name is Navamita Bhattacharjee, but you guys call me Nobita ma'am, and I want to call myself Nobiam ma'am because Nobiam, get it? Anyway. Alright, so today I am going to tell you here the most accurate JEE Mains first attempt marks versus percentile of 2025. Now, in this video, what are the things that you will be getting to know? First of all, 99 percentile means how much marks. This is something that you will be getting to know. At what marks for each and every shift, when will you be getting 99 percentile? That is something that I'll be telling you. I will also be telling you the top 10 NIT cutoffs, because of which you will be able to understand that if you are going to get that much percentile and if you might be able to get into that NIT. Apart from that, I'm also going to tell you the factors on which the percentile depends on, right? So let's get started. Let's not waste our time. So first of all, I'm going to start with the factors on which percentile depends upon. See, percentile number one depends upon the number of students, yes, and you know that every year the number of students only increases. This year also there were around 13.38, almost 14 lakh students who sat for this examination. Is that right? Number two factor is that the easy or the difficulty of the shift. Let's write, yes, let's write here the difficulty of the shift. Okay, if the paper is too difficult, then of course the percentile will come down. Yes, the marks also comes down. I mean, the marks comes down, and at a lower mark you will be able to get 99 percentile, right? So difficulty of the shift definitely is a major factor here. Apart from that, one more thing that also dictates the dictates the factor would be, what do you say, how many number of students were able to attempt how many number of questions correctly. That is something on which the percentile depends on. So these are the three main factors which decides the percentile, everybody. Now let's talk about at what marks you will be getting 99 percentile. So please stay till the end, because I'm going to also tell you, like I said, the top 10 NITs and their cutoff. Stay till the end, yes, all right. So let's have a look at this, everybody. Now, for 22nd January shift 1, 99 percentile, you will be getting at around 190 marks. For 22 shift 2, evening shift, at 195 around, it was slightly easier. So that is why at 195, you will be getting 99 percentile. 23 shift 1, here it has become a little tougher, which is why it will be around 175 to 185. 23rd shift 2, you will be getting a 99 percentile at 188. 24 shift 1, you can see it is 180. That means even lower marks. That is where the NTA this time they have decided to make the question paper slightly tougher and tougher, right? So here you are getting it at 180. 24th shift 2, once again it was 185. 28 shift 1, you had 160. 28 shift 2 is 168. 29th shift 1 again became slightly easier, so 184. And 29th shift 2 was all right, so it was at 182. All right. Yes. Now let us come to the lower percentile, that is at 172 you will be getting 98 percentile. Yes, at around 176, 98 percentile. So basically overall, if you see, 135 is the lowest mark here, and 172 is the highest mark here. So basically from 135 to 172, depending on which shift you are in, you will be able to get 99 percentile. A little lower than this, I think the lowest mark here is 120 and the highest mark here is 160. So from 120 to 160 range will fetch you 97 percentile. Let's move forward. Here the lowest mark is again 108. So from 108 to 155 looks like the highest. This is where you will be getting 96 percentile. Now, if you look at this here, from 98 to I think 136 is the highest. So basically the easiest shift was 22nd January shift 2 was the easiest. And if you look at it, 28th January shift 1 was the toughest, which is why you have the lowest marks here, and at lowest mark you will be getting the good percentiles here, right? Now I have only mentioned till 93 percentile because last year 2024 the cutoff means that you will be eligible to sit in JEE Advanced. 93 percentile was the cutoff last year. And this year, because once again the number of students have the number of students has increased, only difficulty of paper has increased. So I don't think there will be major difference between the cutoff. The cutoff can remain almost same. It will be around 93, 94 percentile, and if by chance if it goes down, it will be around 92 percentile. I don't think it will be, it won't have more deviation from this particular percentiles. That's what I think. So it will be around 92 to 94 percentile. 92 to 94 percentile, let me write this down. 92 to 94 percentile is going to fetch you the JEE advanced. So you will be eligible to sit in JEE advanced. So please have a look at it. Okay, and that is why I have only mentioned till 93 percentile, because after that I don't think you need it, right? I don't think you need it. Now if you want to find out 92 percentile, all you have to do is just deduct 10 10 10 10 marks from here, and I think you will be able to find out that at 92 percentile, let's say that around 106 you will be getting 92 percentile here, at 108 you will be getting 92 percentile here, at 102 you will be getting 92 percentile. So this is the basically data. If you want, I can also provide you this data in the Telegram channel. The link is in the description box. Everybody, please do take a look at the description box and do join my Telegram channel, because the Telegram channel is where I'll be sending you the notes, I'll be sending you the homework, I'll be sending you the assignments, I'll be sending you the mind maps, right? So please go have a look at that. Apart from that, one more thing that I want to tell you is that I can see that many students, you are watching this video, but you are not liking the video. So please don't forget to like this video. It's very important for me. There is a new channel that I am growing on my own. If you don't like this video, then it is not helping me. So do help me in my growth. Like the video and share it with your friends. Also subscribe to the channel, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. It doesn't cost you anything, but it is very, very, very beneficial for me. All right. Moving ahead, everyone, now let's come to the top one. India's number one NIT is your NIT Trichy. Everybody knows this. NIT Trichy is super amazing, everyone. It gives a good run to even the IITs, even the older IITs that they have. It gives a good run for money to even the IITs, everybody. Now, the entry cutoff over the years, it has almost been the same, right? It has maybe increased by zero point 0.5 or 1 percentile. So have a look at this. If you belong to general category, it is going to be 97 percentile. If you belong to EWS OBC category, then it is going to be 96 percentile. If you belong to SC ST, then 93 percentile is going to be your cutoff, right? Now this is the general, that is the other state or all India quota. Now all the NITs, they also have home quota. And one more thing that you need to understand is that right now you will not be getting the percentile. But if you get the marks, I think you will be able to calculate the percentile. Now you just tell me, comment below and let me know which shift you belong to, so that you can calculate your percentile. This is the percentile, this is the marks that I've just told you. So you're not going to get the rank now, right? You are not going to get the percentile also. Maybe percentile they will tell you a little bit. I'm not very sure, but they will only give you the marks, and they might give you the percentile, right? Rank, when will you get? April attempt. In the April attempt, you if you appear again, then they are going to take the best of two, and at that point of time they will give you the rank. Okay, all right. So if it is 99 percentile, then your rank must be around 1 to 10,000, 1 to 5,000, correct? And then if you keep going down, you will get to notice that there is a huge jump of 10 to 20,000 rank, or sometimes even 30,000 difference in the ranks, because of a few percentile difference. Okay, all right, let us go to the NIT number two, and NIT Allahabad. When we talk about the entry cutoff here for general, is almost the same. General is 97 percentile. For EWS and OBC, it is 96.5 percentile. And for SC ST, it is 93 percentile. All right, everybody, moving ahead. NIT Varangal is in the third position. Entry cutoff here is for general 96.5 percentile. For EWS OBC, it is 96 percentile, and for SC ST it is 92 percentile. So you see that even if you belong to category, you are not getting much relief, guys. That is why I tell you, forget about your category certificate, just study, because only thing that can get you to your dream college is studying. Number fourth pay, we have NIT Surathkal. NIT Surathkal general 96 percentile. EWS OBC is going to give you 95.7 percentile. SC ST 91 percentile will be the entry cutoff. Okay, let's go to fifth position, NIT Calicut. NIT Calicut, you have general 96 percentile, EWS OBC 95.8 percentile, and SC ST 90 percentile, right? Moving ahead, NIT Rourkela, entry cutoff is general 95 percentile, EWS OBC is 94.5 percentile, SC ST is 89 percentile. Let's go to number 7, MNIT Jaipur. General 96 percentile, EWS OBC is 95.5 percentile, SC ST is 90 percentile. Okay, moving ahead, NIT Kurukshetra, let's take a look at it. You have general 96 percentile, EWS OBC is 95 percentile, SC ST 90 percentile. All right, let's go to number 9th, that is VNIT Nagpur. Here, general 95.5 percentile, EWS OBC is 95 percentile, SC ST is 90 percentile. And last but not the least is your NIT Durgapur, where NIT entry cutoff is general 95.5 percentile, EWS OBC is 95 percentile, and SC ST is 90 percentile. So these are the top 10 NITs. Now you know in our nation we have 32 NITs, and up to rank 16,000 or up to rank, I think, if I'm not wrong, 16,000. Yes, till up to 16,000 they might be able to take you in, right? So study well, properly, अच्छे से पढ़ो ताकि you get these marks, you get this percentile, and then you can enter in your dream college. Now, I really hope that you like this video. If you did like this video, please don't forget to smash the like button. Don't forget to share this with your friend. I know that everybody must be looking for this video, so share it with your friend and let them know as well that this is where Nobita ma'am is teaching right now. And apart from that, everybody, yeah, you don't forget to subscribe and you don't forget to share it with your friends. So that's all for today. I'll see you later. Tara, bye bye. Stay tuned to the channel. More and more videos coming up very soon. Tara, bye bye. See you later.